Yeah. Let's go. We are Greg and Hannah, two FIREpreneurs, and this is our life. Today, we are exploring Bali by motorbike. Let's go.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
We have arrived to our first stop on our motorbike road trip, and there is this really pretty waterfall that we saw on the map. Just so excited to be here.
It's really cool here, but the water's really dirty. There's trash everywhere, but there's this amazing waterfall right here. We were thinking about whether or not to show it or film it, and we were like, we probably should, because we feel like a lot of travelers focus on just the pretty stuff instead of on like the reality of it. So we're not meaning to complain, but it's more like a reality check. This is what a coconut does when it drops. A new coconut tree is born. Hunger Cam here. So hey babe, how about we find a banana?
There's a tree, I think, but I'm not going through all that.
Debbie Downer.
Yep.
I want banana.
Now let's jump back on the hog and head to Bedugul. Let's go!
This is stop 2 on our Bali excursion on a motorbike trip. We are at the Botanical Gardens in Bedugul. And this is going to be interesting because we're going to see what a botanical garden's like in Bali compared to the only other type of botanical garden we've been to, which are the botanical gardens in New Zealand. Let's check it out. Stop number 1 in the botanical garden. It's an indoor kind of greenhouse. I'm not sure what to expect. Locked. New Zealand's winning so far. So we found another entrance. Bali, New Zealand, still tied. Lava rocks. Very quiet in here, very peaceful. All you can hear is the water dripping down. It's really cool. An interesting thing about the Balinese people that our host told us is that they're not very driven to make money, and that they're completely content just working with their hands on little detailed things all day. This isn't like something you see at Disney. They found stones that were this color and made this pattern and placed them in one by one.
It's starting to rain. All right, so we have officially got rain out. It looks like today in Bedugul is going to be cut short. We will see you momentarily. The weather is beautiful, so let's hit the road and explore Bali on our motorbike. Let's go!
Trying to find the beach. We are at Sullivan Beach in Bali, one of the stops on our Bali road trip by motorcycle. We're gonna go swimming here for a little bit, then we're gonna head out. All right, it's beautiful here. He's mad at me.
This is called poop coffee.
And wanting to protect ourselves for the bugs.
Oh no!
So this is actually 80% DEET. Ow, that burns a little bit.
I'm hoping I get a little more of a tan here while in Bali. I'm really pale.
This map is not right. Where are we? Nice plant. It's got fuzzies on it. I've never seen bamboo this big.
And it's in the natural forest too.
This is a jungle, woman.